Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for Telegram app. It's one of the most popular messaging apps out there and I'll walk you through on how to get started. So let's dive in. First thing first, of course you have to tap into the app itself. Let's open the app by clicking on the app and there you are. It says the world's fastest messaging app. It is free and secure. So to get started, let's tap this button that says start messaging. Let's tap there. So here you have to enter your phone number and the country you are currently living in. So let's select the country. Select the country you're currently living in. And let's type in your phone number. So it's asking whether it's the correct number. It's correct number, so let's hit continue. Now here it will send you a activation code. You have to type in the same exact activation code right here. Once you enter the code, Telegram will prompt you to create a username and set up your profile. You can also sync your contacts to find friends who are already using Telegram, but let's first set up our profile. To do that, you have to type in your first name, so once you've done that, let's hit continue. And the Telegram is asking whether you'd like to access your contacts. You can either press don't allow or okay, let's press don't allow for now. And again, don't allow. It's up to you. I mean, you can hit OK as well if you want to, but I'm just doing that. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up to your Telegram and you've set up all the things in your devices. Now you can start messaging, sharing files, and joining channels and groups. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channels for more tutorials like this. I really appreciate that. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.